Welcome to Civil Concept. In this video, I am going to show you how to calculate the weight of steel bars step by step. This is a very important formula for site engineers, students and contractors. The formula to calculate steel bar weight is weight in kilogram per meter is equal to d square divided by 162.5. Here, d means diameter of steel bar in millimeter. Now let us take one example. Suppose we have 8 mm diameter steel bar. So, weight is equal to 8 into 8 divided by 162.5. That means 64 divided by 162.5. So, the weight of 8 mm steel bar is approximately 0.39 kg per meter. Now, let us see the theoretical weight of common steel bars. 6 mm bar is 0.222 kg per meter. 8 mm bar is 0.395 kg per meter. 10 mm bar is 0.62 kg per meter. 12 mm bar is 0.89 kg per meter. 16 mm bar is 1.58 kg per meter. 20 mm bar is 2.47 kg per meter. 25 mm bar is 3.85 kg per meter. 32 mm bar is 6.31 kg per meter and 40 mm bar is 9.87 kg per meter. So remember, for steel weight calculation, just use d square divided by 162.5. For more civil engineering calculations, follow Civil Concept and visit www.civilconcept.com.